The manager special is a corn dog. Like a regular corn dog, yeah. It's all crunchy and stuff. What is that, Thousand Island? And they got some cheese sauce. Is it cheese or mustard? I don't know, I'm about to find out. I guess this one's called mustard cheese. It doesn't really taste like cheese. It's like honey mustard. It's pretty good. It's like a bread, like a Chinese donut. I don't know. Is this supposed to be a Korean hot dog? Flaky, crispy. It's fluffy on the inside, and it's a just a regular hot dog type hot dog. This is a good water cup that they gave. Supposed to be some garlic parmesan. It's like Italian, like dressing, like vinegar. I don't know. It's kind of salty. That garlic parmesan one is pretty salty. It's pretty good. I like it. I like the flavor, the textures. I recommend. I think like the key here is to like get the breading with the sauce so that it's not too bready, it is not too saucy. You get a combination. Yep. Arcadia Mall, Santa Anita. What is it called? Cheese dogs? Crust cheese, I think.